This video explains what is Pythagoras theorem and the problems related to right angle triangles and Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? A right angle consists of two sides called the legs and one side called the hypotenuse. The longest side is the hypotenuse and it is opposite to the 90-degree right angle. Pythagoras theorem. In any right angle triangle, the sum of the square length of the two legs is equal to the square length of the hypotenuse. If we take the length of the hypotenuse C to be C and the length of the two legs to be A and B, then the theorem tells that C square is equal to A square plus B square. Hypotenuse square is equal to the leg square, sum of the squares of the legs. Unknown length x. To find x, here x is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the legs. Legs 8 and 15. So 8 square plus 15 square. 8 square 64, 15 square 225. Add both 289. Square root of 289 17. X. Unknown length x 17. In this triangle we have to find x. And you can see two similar triangles. Left side and right side triangle is similar. Here 10, one leg is 10 and 26 hypotenuse. The opposite to 90-degree hypotenuse 26 and this is missing. And here also in this right triangle, right side right triangle, one leg 10, hypotenuse 26 and this is missing. So two similar triangles. Let's take one triangle and find out the measurement of one triangle first, then double it. So x is, we can find x. Here in this triangle, hypotenuse opposite to 90-degree hypotenuse 26 and the legs 10. Here it's unknown. Take it as y. I'm going to find only on the left side. So here the hypotenuse square 26 square is equal to the leg square, sum of the squares of its legs. First 26, take 26. Find out the square of this. 2 square 4, 6 square 36. Then 2 into 6 12. 2 into 12 24. Add it 6 7 6. So here 676 is the square of 26. 10 square, take 1, write first 1 square is 1. Then here 1 0, so in the square 2 zeros. Then to find y square, let's move 100 to the left side so it becomes minus 100. 576. Y square is 576. Y is square root of 576. Let's find out the square root of 576. To find the square root of 576, take this 576 and from the right side split to two digits. So this 6 and 7 one group, then 5 another group. And in this, check the ending digit. It can be, the ending digit is 6, so it can be the square of 4 or 6 because 4 square 16 ends with 6. 6 square 36 ends with 6. So by the ending digit we come to know that it can be the square of 4 or 6. Then take 5. 5 is close to the square number 4. So 4 square root is 2. Then take this 2 and multiply with the next consecutive number which is 3. 2 3s are 6. Take this 6 and compare with this 5. This 5 is lesser. If this 5 is lesser with this, then we have to choose the smaller number 24. So to find the square root, split the digits from the right side to two digits, then check the ending digit. From that we come to know that as ending digit is 4, it can be the square of 4 or 6. Then this 5 is close to the square number 4 and square root of 4 is 2. Then take this 2, multiply with the next consecutive number 2 into 3 6. Take this 6 and compare with this 5. By this comparison, here this 5 is lesser. If it is lesser, then we have to choose in this 2 the smaller number. So 4. 2 4. Square root of 576 is 24. From here it's 24. So this will also be 24. Then x is 24 plus 24, 48. So x is 48 centimeter. William placed a 37-foot ladder against a wall. So the ladder is 37 foot long against a wall, and the length from the base of the ladder to the base of the wall, the measurement is 12 feet, and this height of the wall is missing. Let's find out this x. Here the length opposite to this 90 degree is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 37 and the legs 12 and it's x. Use the Pythagoras property. The hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of its legs. So the legs are 12, another one x. Hypotenuse 37 square. To find x square, let's move 12 square to the left side, so it becomes minus 12 square. 37 square is, to find the 37 square, take 3, 7. Then square of 3 is 9, square of 7 is 49. Then 3 into 7, 21, double it, so it becomes 42. Right, leave this one's place and write here 42. Then add it, so 9, 6, it's 13. 1369 is the square of 37. Then 12 square, it's easy, 144. If you don't know, you can follow the same like this. 12 square, so take 1, square it, it's 1. Take 2, square it, it's 4. Then 1 into 2, 2, double it, 4. Write 4 here, then add it. So 4, 4, 1. So 144 is the square of 12. Then subtract it, 9 minus 4, 5. Then 6 minus 4, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. Then 1. So 1225. X square is 1225. Let's find the square root of this, 1225. Take this 1225, it's the square root of. To find the square root, take this and split the digits from the right side to 2 digits. So this one group, another group is this. Check the ending digit 5, so it can be the square of 5. Then this 12 is the square, close to the square of 9, and 9 is the square of 3. Square root of 9, 3. So 35. X is 35. 35 feet. The length of the diagonal of rhombus is given as 42 and 40. The rhombus, all the sides equal, and the diagonal, this is 42 and another diagonal is 40. We know the property of the rhombus that diagonals bisect each other. So if it bisect each other, it means that it divides into two equal parts, here and here equal and here and here equal. So 42 divided into half, here is 21, this is 21. So as the diagonals bisect each other, it divides into half. So this measurement 21 and this 21. Next diagonal 40. So half divided into half. This will be 20 and this will be 20. And here it bisects each other at right angle. So and let's take one part of it. So this part, this is 20 and this is 21. This is right angle triangle. And this side is missing. The length opposite to this 90 degree is missing, which is hypotenuse. To find the hypotenuse, use the Pythagoras property. So square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of its legs, 21 square and 20 square. Find the square of 21. Take 21. Here, take this digit 2 first. Square it. 2 square is 4. 0, 4. Then take 1, square it. 1 square is 0, 1. Then take this 2 and 1. Multiply this 2 into 1, 2. Then double it, it's 4. So write as 0, 4, leave this one space digit and write 0, 4 like this. Then add it, 1, 4, 4, 0. So square of 21 is 441 plus 20 square. It's easy. Take this 2 first and square it 4. Then take the 0. In 0 in the square it becomes 2 zeros. Here 1 0 in the square it becomes 2 zeros. So 20 square is 400. Then add it 881. X square is 881. Let's find the square root of 881. To find the square root of this number, take this number and from the right side split it into two digits. So 1, 8. This is one group. Then another group, there is only one digit, 8. Then take this number and check the ending digit. It ends with 1. So it can be the square of 1 or 9. Check the ending digit is 1. It can be the square of 1 or 9. Then take this number 8 and check this number is close to the square number 4. And 4 is the square of 2. 8, take 8. Check this is close to the square number 4 and 4 is the square root of 2. So 2. Then take this number 2 and multiply with the next number 3. 2 into 3, 6. Now compare this 6 with this number 8. So this is smaller and this is 8 is bigger. If this is bigger, this number is bigger, you have to choose the bigger number here. Out of these two, choose the bigger number. So it means that 9 is the square root of 881. So x is 29. The side of the rhombus 29. Then we have to find the perimeter of rhombus. Let's find the perimeter of rhombus is 4 side to side. So 4 into 29. 4 9s are 36. 6 here and 3. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So 116 centimeter, the perimeter of rhombus. This 8, 17, 15 or Pythagorean triplet or not. To find out that, take the biggest measurement among these three, 17. So 17 is the hypotenuse, the longest side is the hypotenuse, and the other two sides, the legs. Take one as 15, other leg as 8, and here 90 degree. And the hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the square of its legs. If they are equal, then these three numbers are Pythagorean triplet. To verify that, take 17 square, 1 square is 0, 1, 7 square, 49, then 1 into 7, 7, double it, so 7 into 2, 14. Take that 14 and write here, leave this one space and write like this, then add it, 9, 8, 2. So 289, 17 square is 289, 8 square, 64, plus 15 square. To find out 15 square, take this 5 and find the square of 5, 25. Then take this 1, multiply with the next consecutive number 2. 1 into 2, 2. So 15 square is 225. Then add 225 and 64, 289. 289. They are equal. So it means that these three numbers 8, 17 and 15 are Pythagorean triplet. And it forms a right angle triangle. A flight travels 320 km west and then 240 km north. And find the position to its original position from here to the original. So this is 320 west, first to the west, then 240 towards north. Then we have to find from here to the original position the measurement. So you can see the hypotenuse is missing here. To find the hypotenuse, x square is equal to the leg square 240 square plus 320 square. And find first this 240, take 24. 24 square is 2 square 4, 4 square 16, then 2 into 4 8, double it 16. Add it 6, 7, 5. 576. 24 square is 576. Then the 0, don't forget to add this here 1 0, so in the square it will be 2 zeros. Then 320. Take 32 and let's find the square of that 32 first. 3 square 9, 2 square 4, 3 into 2 6, double it 12. Then add it 4, 2, 9 plus 1, 10. 1024. Then here 1 0, so in the square 2 zeros. Then add it. Let's add this. So 0 0 6 7 5. Add that 0 0 10 1. Carry 1 10 1 6. So it's 1 6 0 0 0 0. Means that 1,60,000. It's 1,60,000. X square is 1,60,000. Let's find x. To find the square root of this 1,60,000, from the right side split it into two digits. And here in the square it's 2 0. So in the square root it will be 1 0. Here 1 0. 16 square root 4. So 400. X is 400. From here to here the measurement is 400 kilometer.